Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel and I hope everybody is staying all good. Today I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian cow feet or kotoje and beef is one of my favorites. In fact, this soup was just a banger. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I'll begin by cooking my vegetables. I'll be using some garden eggs, carrots, pepper. I'll also be going in with some white beans, and lastly I'll go in with one medium-sized onion. I'll go in with some water and allow it to cook until it's nice and very soft. Don't forget as well to use any vegetable of your choice. Alright, so now let's cook on low medium heat until it's soft enough for us to blend. And we are back to check on it after extra 20 minutes and it looks super soft and ready to blend. I'll allow this to cool down a little bit and afterwards I'll blend until it's nice and very smooth. Alright, so now let's start by cooking our protein. I'll be using cow feet as I said earlier on. You can also use any protein of your choice, but for today we are concentrating on cow feet and also some fresh meat. As you all know, cow feet is really hard and we are using the dried ones, which is really hard. So I'm really going to cook this for about 50 to 1 hour on high heat until it's soft enough. Alright, so we are back to check on the meat after 40 minutes and this is how it turned out. It turned out a little bit soft and that's just perfect. And at this point, the aroma from this meat is just amazing. It smells really, really good. Alright, so next I'll go in with my fresh cow meat. Moving forward, I'm going to seasoning the meat with some chopped onions, tomato paste. Next, I also go in with some meat, seasoning powder, and a little bit of salt to taste as well, and some garlic and ginger paste. I'll stir everything together very nicely, and once that is done, I will cover and allow it to cook on high heat for about 30 minutes. Since the cow feet is not really soft, we will go in with extra water. Yes, we really want our meat to really come out very soft and very chewy. Alright, so now let's cover it and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. And we are back to check on it after extra 40 minutes and this is how our beef looks like. The proteins look super soft right now and it's ready for me to go in with my blended vegetables which I cooked earlier on. And once that is done, I'll go in with some water, just a little bit of water, and I'll also go in with some Eden fruits to give the soup extra flavor. Let's stir everything together. We will cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Remember to taste for salt at this time. Okay, now while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now our soup is nice and ready. I served mine with fufu. You can also serve yours with any swallow or anything that you choose to enjoy with this deliciousness. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Can you subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family? Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.